you! You hit me! Fuck you! Help me! Help me!
December 22nd, 2022. Tampa International Airport police spent 8 minutes helping an intoxicated passenger recover a bag he left on his flight, and the encounter ended in a felony arrest.
Get going on this shit, I don't know what else to say.
Well, let's see what happens when she gets back. Hopefully she's got your bag, and then you hop on your Uber and get to go wherever you're going.
Bitch that's gonna... Because you know I didn't have shit on my bag, right? Besides,
no, we just want you to get
besides my shooters. Yeah, you already saw that on the cam.
No, you can't. That was at the other airport.
Wait, were y'all stinging me?
What are you talking about?
We are here because you keep.
Wait a minute, for what? Why ain't y'all? Okay, that's good. You couldn't even let me have a fucking cigarette.
Like I'm gonna leave the
Fucking cigarette. That's all I wanted. I want to shut the fuck up.
You're gonna get ahead and get a cigarette. Just calm down.
Give me out of here.
As soon as we get your bag, right? Because then if you don't have your bag,
can
then
I have my 2 other fucking shooters?
My God,
Because I still have leftovers.
I don't know where they're at.
I do have leftover shooters.
Okay. Well,
And
let's get
can you
back.
go ahead and take them so I can go to the gas station?
Okay. Well, let's wait on her.
So you can
get
clear me.
Okay.
Because my dad is going to ask you.
All right. I'm not gonna say a word.
Clear me.
All right. I'll tell Dad you are good to go. Is Dad coming to get you, or I think you said Uber's coming to get you?
Where are we?
In Tampa, Florida.
Dad is not coming.
Uber's coming.
Can I have those shots?
I'm not gonna take them from you.
No, I'm saying, can you tell Dad? I didn't know you knew my dad.
I don't know your dad.
Lynn Carrington?
I don't know who that is. I mean, obviously he's your dad. Where are you from?
You don't have. I'm from Fort Missouri.
Oh, okay.
I'm not trying to step on any else's toes, but
You're not stepping on my toes.
you
You were just going the wrong
you
way.
do not have to tell him shit.
I won't tell him shit. You can tell him
just-
whatever you want to tell him. I'm not gonna tell him anything.
Hey, I'm not a liar or something to tell him that y'all stung me up.
Okay, you tell him whatever you want to tell him,
Is it
man.
okay if I pay you on the bet?
I don't need nothing from you.
But I kind of have to. But he said, do not fuck me.
Okay.
Please do not. I'm going to have to call him right now. What is your name? Because you are a very nice person.
I just told you I was Mike.
I know.
And my last name is
Dude,
Ruiz. That's all good. We're all good.
What is your name?
We're all good. I'm Mike. Mike.
Mike?
Yep.
What's your last name?
Ruiz.
Are you taking over?
Yeah, because it didn't seem like you liked him.
Well, I don't like
We're waiting. She's checking because
Well,
I think he
whoever
left
I-
something on the airplane.
He what?
He left something on the airplane.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we're waiting on. He is
Whoever,
very intoxicated and he forgets lots of stuff.
Whoever
He keeps
the
saying
people
same thing
like,
over and
we
over
don't
again.
like our current sheriff.
Okay.
So it is kind of like
We don't work
that.
for the sheriff, so we don't always
I'm
like
sure
our.
you've seen-
We don't like our current sheriff all the time.
I'm sure
either.
you've seen Dutton shit. And I'm not threatening you of any of that shit. I just love Kevin Costner's new show. It's pretty bad. But that's it. So that's all I have to say.
He kept trying to. No, he's here from Missouri. He kept trying to go the wrong way up TSA, and that's what caught my eye. And then the TSA guy walking down here because he said he forgot the something on the plane. So the lady's actually down there looking on the plane right now.
What's your name again?
Mike. Okay. This is Gary.
Gary?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
It's very nice to meet you.
All right. Just give us
And
a
I'm
second.
sure
We're going to
we'll
get your
be
stuff.
Yeah.
Don't you want your backpack? She wants to go look.
Yeah.
Right there with you.
There you go. You here to visit somebody in Tampa? Yeah.
Yeah, just my brother. I've never
cool.
been down here before. That's what I'm saying.
Good, man. Good. I hope you enjoy it.
That's why I was asking, is there anything we need to do while I'm down here?
Busch Gardens, pretty cool.
Now, is that
There's
just
some
like
things
the
downtown.
flowers and stuff?
No. It's got roller coasters and stuff. It's pretty
Because
good
I'm
stuff.
cool with that because
Yeah, it's
I
good
live
stuff.
in Missouri. So
Okay. Yeah, it's good stuff.
not
You
one of
got
those, like,
Disney World's pretty close. You got SeaWorld's pretty close. Everything's within an hour or two.
I'm a huge fan of reptiles. Dude, that's
Now
my
there's a couple places you can go for that too. So Gatorland. Pretty good stuff. Yeah.
I really just want to go to a place I can have a cigarette.
Well, you'll be there in a few minutes. So just
Your cigarettes in your backpack?
Yeah, they'd be on my on the top of the part.
Did we find his backpack?
Actually, I have my lighter, one of the short ones right here.
Do you have a suitcase?
And then,
did you have the suitcase?
yeah, I have a carry-on suitcase. It's like
so-
it starts with this. See?
You can bring it up here due to security issues. So it will be in the baggage claim. It's at baggage claim. It's
All right,
already
we'll
been
take
sent.
okay. All right, we'll take you to where it's at. It's where all the bags are.
Yeah, all the bag.
Come
It's
on.
been taken up where all the baggage is at.
Come on.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, but just out of curiosity, I don't want them to touch that.
Clayton, we're just taking you there. We're not touching it.
They're not
just
touching
wanna-
it. It'll be on the carousel.
Wait,
Just so you hear, I just want to smoke a cigarette. So when I touch the person and grab the cigarette,
It's already gone.
When you go downstairs.
It's already gone. They already put it on the container.
but you heard what I said though.
Come on.
Yeah, I just watched.
Clayton, what do you do for a living? Anything fun? Clayton, we're going this way. Come on. Clayton, come on.
Nope.
We're gonna miss the train.
Nope.
Clayton, this is gonna go south really fast.
shit.
Get your ass on that train right now.
You saw
Gary.
me. I'm refusing. I'm refusing.
Okay.
Hey, man. We're trying to get you to your stuff.
Your stuff's gonna disappear. Your cigarettes are gonna disappear.
I don't care, but these people.
Okay.
No, I didn't do anything wrong.
We're
Legally,
not
I didn't
taking
do
you
anything.
to jail.
Leave me
We're
alone.
taking
Let
you
me
to
go on
your
my
stuff.
flight. Leave me alone. Go away. I just need these people to leave me alone. Let me
We
go
will.
on my scene.
Once you get over there.
Can you call your brother so I can talk to him?
How about you leave me alone? You want to talk? You what? What do you think my brother's gonna do?
Want it?
All right, you talk to my brother.
We're trying to help you.
Call my brother.
No, call him. We're trying to help you. You understand that?
Yes, Lord, we just got a 911 call from the security on that.
Oh, now all of a sudden you're being nice. Fuck you.
I wasn't mean to you. Who's been mean to you?
I didn't say you were.
Oh yeah, he's
No, we're trying to help you, man. All your stuff, your luggage and everything is over here. That's where we're trying to get you over there to get your stuff so you can have your cigarette. That's what we're trying to do. We're just here to help you.
That's fine. Take over the phone.
Well, come on, let's go.
That's fine.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Seriously, I'm just trying to help you, okay?
I appreciate it.
All right. Here, hold on to it.
Fuck that. I'm staying down. Fuck you! You hit me! Fuck you! Ah! Help me! Help me!
That's all right. We got it. Relax, slide over.
I have this arm, Gary. Tell me what you want.
Clayton Carrington! You know I'm not a violent person! Clayton Carrington! These people are dirty officers! And they're gonna kill me! Please, God, help me! Please, God!
Just hold on to it for a minute.
Please, God, they're hurting me! Ah! Fuck me, I thought they were lying, but they're...
We're trying to help you this whole time. And you're acting crazy. You're acting crazy, man, for nothing. You're good. Just hang on to him. Okay? Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. The other hand, slide over. Slide over,
Ready
Mike.
for this one, Gary?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm holding it. That's why.
Slide over. Slide over.
And that's why.
Put your hand behind your back now! Now! Put it behind your back now! Enough! All of this for nothing. You know, all of this, we're here to help you, and you turn this into a nightmare. You know that?
The doors are closing. Please wait for the next train. Caution, do not enter. The doors are closing. Please wait.
Yeah, okay, you guys, you don't have to hurt.
Come here.
You don't have to hurt me anymore.
Nobody's hurting you. Nobody's hurting you.
You drug me up after a fucking bullshit
Lay flat.
thing.
When I flip you, you lay flat. You
How about I just fucking get up?
There you
You
go.
already beat me to death.
Just lay flat.
You already hurt me.
Lay flat. Relax.
Fuck you, man.
Relax.
You already hurt me.
Relax.
I didn't even fucking do
Relax.
anything. You're not getting away
Relax.
with it. Fuck you, man.
Relax.
Fuck you.
Relax.
Yeah. If you help me get away, don't help me get away with this.
Corporal, come here quick. Get over here, Corporal. Come there. We're 10:15. Tell her we're 10:15 and we're okay. I was trying to transmit and my radio fell apart.
Put your face. Walk.
Gary, I got this one.
Walk. You need to walk. Walk.
This way, Gary.
Get up. I'm gonna bring it. Get up.
Gary, I'll hold him
You
up.
understand me?
Gary,
Get up.
Gary, I'll hold him up.
Walk.
Sergeant, if you grab his shoes, I got this side of him. No more games, buddy.
But I was thinking the same thing more.
We're coming down the elevator now. We're gonna need a car.
Because I've been doing the same shit.
Come on out, guys. Hurry up.
God.
Come on. Please.
Come on, we said come, you know? It's not a game, bro. It's not a game, you lost, okay?
8 years.
We're done.
Everybody invite me. Why didn't everybody fucking invite me? That doesn't make sense. Why? I would have fucking been the first one to join y'all. I hate this goddamn place. God, y'all are fucking awesome and like my family. Why the fuck would I do this?
I don't know why you do this.
And you really
You're a
think I would?
Well, you did.
Oh yeah,
I am really done.
Yeah, right. Because I really did it. That's bullshit. See, I even asked the dude I didn't even know on the flight issue that rob it before I even knew. Which would have kind of screwed you guys over though too.
Get him right in the car.
I didn't know that. Sorry.
Take him straight to the jail.
Let's make sure, we gotta search him.
How about I just walk away and nobody fucking slapped me?
How about I hit you again? What do you think? Yeah, you want me to?
No, I don't.
Because you're heading that way.
Hey, with your mom.
You're heading that way. You're heading that way.
There's another one.
You're heading that way. You're in my fucking.
I got him. Gary, I got him. Take his stuff. Take his stuff.
You're not my friend. You don't listen. We were here to help you.
You want me to turn on other cops?
Gary, this side's empty.
I wouldn't turn on people.
I searched. These two pockets are empty.
Is that what you went for? I wouldn't turn on cops and shut up. Fucking retards. It's that's what you're
I got his wallet on this side of
me.
Just take his stuff. We got him.
Because I wouldn't
We got
ever
him.
search.
Just take his stuff. Ready?
I would never turn on cops.
He's not double locked though.
I would never turn
All right, then
double
let's
lock him.
lock him. We got him. If you just.
And I just
Thank you.
to death if I ever did turn on cops. And I never would.
Well, you punch one in the.
Respect the goddamn code!
You punch one.
Yeah, I might punch one, but I respect the fucking code!
Yeah.
Wait, once you back up. I got him.
You got to go ahead, you fucking bitch! But I would never turn on a cop.
Don't kick me again.
I don't know how fuck.
Yeah. Don't kick me again.
I don't
You
need to.
understand? Don't kick me again.
I don't ever want to.
Don't fucking kick me again.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't ever. I just want to leave.
Yeah. You're leaving, all right?
Yep.
Yeah. Your brother can come pick you up in the jail.
I never said anything. I never saw anything.
You punched my partner right in the face.
What's done is done.
Yeah. You're
And
right.
that, yeah.
You're right. Yeah. Just double lock.
Start with the encounter itself. Under Florida versus Bostick and United States versus Mendenhall, officers can approach anyone in public and ask questions, and nothing is seized until a reasonable person would no longer feel free to walk away. An order to board a train is not a question. From that moment, the officers needed reasonable suspicion of a crime, which is what Florida's stop and frisk law, section 901.151, requires. They had it. A security exit lane breach and obvious impairment are articulable facts, but neither officer ever said so on camera, and an unstated basis is the kind of gap defense counsel builds a motion around. That gap matters more than it looks, because Florida's disorderly intoxication statute, section 856.011, does not criminalize being drunk in public. It requires an actual disturbance or danger to another person. Florida also gave these officers a door they never opened. The Marchman Act, sections 397.677 and following, allows protective custody of someone who has lost self-control to alcohol, with no charge attached. The profanity was never the problem. City of Houston versus Hill settled that a citizen can curse at, argue with, and insult an officer without committing a crime, and no one here was charged for speech. Florida statute section 784.07 makes battery on an officer a third-degree felony, but only when that officer is lawfully performing his duties. Lawful performance is an element, so the detention question travels straight into the charge. Intoxication will not rescue him. Florida treats battery as a general intent offense, and voluntary intoxication has been unavailable as a defense to general intent crimes in this state for decades. Graham versus Connor asks three things: severity of the crime, immediacy of the threat, and active resistance. All three line up here, and Florida statute section 776.05 permits whatever force is reasonably necessary. What these officers used was empty hand control. The harder question is what happened after the handcuffs, where Hadley versus Gutierrez makes gratuitous force against a restrained arrestee clearly established law. The audio there is ambiguous, and the transcript names no speaker. Nothing establishes a strike after restraint, nothing rules one out, and that stays unresolved until the unedited video surfaces. Two smaller points close the file. United States versus Robinson permits a full search incident to a lawful custodial arrest, and Miranda never triggered here, since nobody asked this man a question about the offense. The primary officer earns a B+ for 8 minutes of patience and force that stopped at the lowest tier available. His partner earns a B, undone by a profane order and remarks about another agency on a live camera. The passenger earns an F. He answered 8 minutes of assistance with a felony, and the department earns a B- for clean recordings and prompt supervision, weighed against a radio that fell apart mid-arrest. 3 lessons. Say the legal basis out loud, because an unspoken reason protects nobody. Keep the reactionary gap with an impaired subject, no matter how well the conversation is going, and know the non-criminal options before the night turns. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.